Hello, I found something interesting. Did you know ChatGPT can make a full word puzzle based on any topic of your choosing? Well, I'm going to show you guys that today in this video. Stay tuned. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel. This is Jay Techie. Without further ado, let's get started. So it's very easy to do, and right now I have ChatGPT opened, and this is a project that I worked on in the past. So basically, I opened ChatGPT work and I said, "Can you make a word find puzzle with Noah's Ark theme with about 10 to 15 words and make it into a downloadable document?" And guess what? It did just that in 6 minutes. It says done. The 2-page Word document includes 15 Noah's Ark words and a highlighted answer key. And then it gave me the docx download for the word puzzle. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what it produced. You may think it's quite good quality. Alright, so ChatGPT actually generated this full document, and so it has the word puzzle here, and it has the Noah's Ark theme, and you can put your name and the date. And keep in mind, this is a Word document, so that you can print this out and be able to use this word find for anything, and you can work on it on paper. And then after that, on the next page, it has the actual words, which is all these words you can find in this word puzzle. And also it has the answer key of the answers of where all the actual words are, and it actually has a clue of how they're configured. So animals backward, flood across, and things like that. And so the possibilities are pretty much endless on what kind of topics and what kind of puzzle configurations you can generate. And if you want to have quick fun with the family on a nighttime, you can actually do a quick word puzzle generated from ChatGPT. So go ahead and try this for yourself and have fun with this. I thought this was a little cool gem that I would like to share with you all here. And if you like this kind of content and AI related content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, like this video, and alright, and until next time, this is Jay Techie. Peace.